Hey guys, it's Ivan, and first and foremost, I wanted to wish you all a happy new year. May 2023 bring lots of love, happiness, and success to you, your friends, and your family. Having said that, today I'd like to take a look at the real estate markets in the Toronto and the GTA areas, specifically what happened in the month of December of 2022, and also take a look at the broader statistics from the entire year of 2022 to kind of figure out where are we going in the new year. So there's a lot to unpack, so buckle up and let's begin. So the December housing market in Toronto and the GTA was a stark contrast to the record levels of 2021, as the Bank of Canada had been crushing the demand by hiking interest rates all throughout 2022, starting March of last year. The supply of inventory adjusted accordingly. As a result, the market has been trading sideways since August of 2022. Basically, the sellers figured out it's not a good time to sell and also adjusted their timelines in terms of putting their places on the market. So as a result, we had less demand and also less supply. So they kind of found support around July, August, and since then the average price in the Toronto and the GTA has been flatlining. So let's take a look at the both year-over-year and month-over-month statistics and see where we're at in terms of the numbers. So in December of 2022, there were 48% less sales taking place compared to 2021. Month over month, there was a little bit of an improvement of 1% since November of 2022. The average sales price dropped by 9% and is now $1,050,000 compared to 1.150 in 2021. However, it didn't really change since November of last year. The total new listings dropped by 21%. The sales to new listings ratio dropped by 39%. Properties also stayed about 110% longer on the market compared to December 2021, where the average days for the property to stay on the market was around 19 days. In December of 2022, we saw an average of 40 days on the market. As for the condos, condos proved to be a very resilient asset type, basically across the board, probably because of the lower price point, and it's just basically much easier to purchase than any other asset types that are more expensive. However, the sales dropped by 46%. One important fact that I find being overlooked quite often in the media is that the prices have been trading sideways. In other words, they've been not changing much, basically since July of 2022. So those seeking the bottom of the market and trying to time the market for the best moment to strike may have been standing right in the middle of the bottom of the market without realizing it. And in fact, the Toronto Real Estate Board President Paul Barron also commented on that. He said home prices started leveling off in the late summer, suggesting the aggressive early market adjustment may be coming to an end. The interest rate hikes also were the culprit to double-digit average rent increases. People were simply pushed out of the market and were forced to rent at historically high rental rates known to date. So what are we looking at for 2023? It certainly will be an interesting market to watch. We have two combating forces that are present in the market as of right now. On one hand, the higher interest rates continue to impact the demand. Less people are able to afford to buy houses and condos. Contrary to that, the massive immigration into the province will support those demand levels. So basically, the consensus is that the prices may not be dropping as low as the analysts are predicting. Also, let's not forget the high costs of labor and materials, which impact the developers right now. In fact, many developers are halting construction because they simply cannot make money on it. So they're discouraged to build homes. and this will impact the total supply of new housing units that will be needed to support the massive immigration that we're expecting into the province in the next couple of years. The government is certainly trying to help alleviate these challenges with the legislation such as More Homes Built Faster Act, but the development application process remains clunky and inefficient, and so many developers are basically waiting on the sidelines until the developing conditions will improve. Anyway, guys, I hope you found this video informative and useful for yourself to make your own decisions and opinions about the market in the city of Toronto and the GTA. But if you have any questions, do let me know. All my contact info is below. And until the next month, take care. Bye-bye.